Now we are here for the structured questions. First, this is a definition question for physical quantity. The two keywords for physical quantity in terms of definition are it consists of a numerical magnitude and a unit. Please don't confuse this with vector, which is having magnitude and direction. The next question here, most of you got it correct. This is looking at the base unit, and it must be the base SI unit followed by the symbol for its unit. So over here we have seconds for time and meter for length. A few students give me kilometer or even cm for length. Next, we come to question 2. This is very poorly done because a lot of students are confused about what exactly is a precision of an instrument. Precision refers to the smallest unit that an instrument can measure. Say for example, a ruler. The smallest thing that a ruler can measure is about 0.1 cm. Vernier calipers can measure up to 0.01 cm, whereas micrometer screw gauge, what is the precision of micrometer screw gauge? It will be 0.01 mm or 0.001 cm. So, precision of an instrument refers to the smallest unit the instrument can measure. So, when we are asking about precision of a vernier calipers, we are actually asking you what is the smallest unit that vernier calipers can measure. So the answer is 0.01 cm. You can also leave your answer as 0.1 mm. Part C. This requires us to look at our vernier calipers. So now let's take a look at our vernier calipers. First thing, we check if it is a cm or an mm scale. In this case, this is a cm scale. So if this is 1, this is 2, so this has to be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4. So the main scale on your vernier calipers give me 1.4, and the next decimal place is the one in line, and in this case this is the one in line, so this reading will be 1.42 cm. Now we will look at the external diameter of the part. The main scale on your vernier scale give you 3, 3.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, and 0.6. So this has to be 3.6 something. So what is our something? Our something is in line over here. And this is the fourth marking. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 3.64 cm. In part D, they ask us for the thickness of our pipe. Can you see that the external diameter is made up of one thickness, one interior diameter, and another thickness? So in order for us to look for our thickness, we need to make use of our external diameter minus the internal diameter divided by 2. Many students simply do the subtraction without dividing by 2 and not realizing that there is actually 2 thickness there. Part E is quite poorly written despite the fact that many students know the answer. Some of you put down things such as the eye is 90 degrees to the reading. Now there is a difficulty in identifying what exactly are you talking about. So usually we simply say that place the eyes in line with the reading or simply vertically above the marking. Please take note of the scientific language used here. For question 3, a few students do not know what exactly is this question asking. They are asking for prefix. Prefix refers to things such as nano, micro, mega giga. So in this case, we have power 6, 10 to the power 6. In this case, is mega. So you got to leave your answer as capital M. Now, some of you write it as MEGA. We still accept the answer is correct. Next is a conversion. Please take note that 1 meter per second is equivalent to 3.6 kilometer per hour. So if you do a conversion, just divide your answer by 3.6 and you will have converted it to meter per second. Next is the reading of your micrometer screw gauge. Now this kind of question is definitely going to come out for exam, so please take note. Now can you see that 6 on your timber scale is in line with the main scale? So this implies that our zero error is the 6th position. And for zero error, it is always the second decimal place in mm. So your zero error is 0.06 mm. In this case, this is a positive error. Some students like to put a positive sign in front, but not to worry, whether you put or not, it doesn't matter. The reading for your steel ball, can you see that this is 0 mm, 0.5, 1, 1.5. Your main scale reads 1.5 mm. And your timber scale, well, this is not -2, but 48. Because from 45, 46, 47, 48. So 1.5 plus 0.48. Remember, timber scale is always 2 decimal places behind the dot. So it's 1.5 plus 0.48. You have 1.98. Finally, corrected reading, we always take reading minus the zero error. It gives us 1.92 mm. Now, final question for our test. In this case, a pupil record 20 oscillations of a pendulum. Now, 20 oscillation means it must swing from one extreme end to the other and back 20 times. And they tell you that the pupil collect 2 sets of data, meaning this set is 20 oscillations. This is also 20 oscillations. So total we have 40 oscillations. A shortcut to this is to add both together divided by 40 and you will get the period. Alternatively, we can actually find the average of 20 oscillation. Then we take the average divided by 20 to find 1 oscillation. With this, we have ended this paper. Thank you.